What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be cooking a New York strip. Got it at the butcher yesterday and it's looking a little weird, but you know what? We're just gonna cook it and see how it goes. First thing I like to do is fire up the stove, max, and throw some oil in there. I like using avocado oil. And once we get that fat, we're gonna lay down the fat side first. Let that render down a little bit, get a little more oil in the pan. Then we'll give it a good sear, get it a good base, then we'll have a good dinner. What do you think, Simba? You want some steak? Want some steak, Simba? Huh? No, you want to eat your mat man, huh? Alright, now that the pan's nice and hot, we're gonna throw fat side down. Psych, we gotta season this ish first. It's a funky looking steak. I only season with salt before because pepper burns on high heat. So I always pepper my cutting board. I love me some pepper, but I don't like burnt pepper. Alright, now I'm just gonna rub this in a little bit. Flip her over. Some more oil. More salt. Alright, let's throw it on there. Fat first. If you don't hear that noise, you're messing up. Now that the fat's rendered down a little bit, I'm just gonna let it go on that side. So you got a decent crust on that fat. Well, this side's got one hell of a crust. Drop it down to low. Throw the garlic. Butter. Try not to splash yourself like I just did. And you grab a spoon and baste the shit out of it. Make sure you let your steak rest. Perfectly medium rare. Maybe even a little bit on the side of rare. It's good though.